if this is a good idea or not. Reporting to you live from the foothills of Mount Canuckistan. My face is about to freeze off. Probably not an ideal day to go hiking, but it's kind of what we do. Look at that, it's like magic! They go on your face.
Interesting.
They go on over your boot.
Yeah.
There we go. All right. Let's head up the trail. Boom. And when this thing starts dying, oh, these things feel awesome.
They do.
That's fantastic.
They feel nice.
The abominable snow monster once again.
I think it's nice they got the straps, so hopefully the stupid things don't fall off.
Yep. Because the gate's closed. You get your crampons on, right, Ethel?
You are an idiot.
That hurts my feelings.
Good.
There he is, ladies and gentlemen. Once again. Way up the trail. With his brand new crampons for Christmas.
It's gonna be really windy up there.
It's gonna be very windy up there. I'm not quite sure why we do this to ourselves, but we do. What's that?
Would you rather pick real hot days or really cold days?
Yeah, I much prefer the cold days.
Yeah.
I have gear for the cold. The hot, there's not so much you can do about that. Especially when you're big and beastly like the Arnold.
Huh.
Just got the down low from some hikers. Some fellow hikers. Apparently it's super windy on top. Which should be fantastic for our bare t-shirt live video that we're gonna do.
I don't remember agreeing to that. I said I'd think about it.
What? Don't worry, ladies and gentlemen, I'll get him to do it. Actually, if you're watching this video, you already know whether or not we've done it. Oh, I was about to do words of wisdom from Aaron.
Oh, alright.
This is words of wisdom from Aaron. What do you have to say, Aaron?
When you go hiking up here, bring extra gloves,
Ooh.
extra hat,
Ooh.
extra shirts and shirts,
Oh.
some snacks,
Oh, yeah.
You
What kind of snacks?
hard tarts,
Yeah.
hot cheese,
Hot cheese?
hot chips.
Hot cheese and hot chips.
Yeah.
Whoa, baby. Ow.
I mean, that
I've never heard of
works.
that before, but it sounds good-ish.
You never heard of hot chips?
Well, hot cheese and chips?
No, well, your chips.
I guess we need to bring a microwave up here.
The chips you brought up last time, they're spicy.
Oh, spicy. Oh, okay. I was thinking like actual hot cheese.
No.
Like heated.
Unless we're gonna use our lighters,
Well, you know what?
might take a while.
I don't know. Maybe that's a thing.
We should try it.
Maybe we should. Probably not. Now, what were you saying?
How cool!
That's what I thought.
How cool!
Censored!
And how last time I went up here, someone else went a chicken way.
Yeah. If you watch one of our last videos, going up in the frozen Mount Canuckistan,
Aaron with this one.
the Aaron went up the frozen waterfall, remember? I went up the chicken way. Well, today we got the crampons and we're both gonna go up. So here it is. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what do you think? Is Aaron gonna wipe out? Probably not. Not with those suckers, that's right. That's the spirit.
Well worth the money.
The secret cave of doom. Actually, it's not that big. Yeah, these are actually pretty good. All right, here I come. Yeah, baby. I don't know if that was good content or not, but we're up, ladies and gentlemen. We're up. What do you think of the new micro spikes?
I like them.
Yeah. Yeah. About ready to break out of the tree line. Grandma Ethel is behind me.
Grandma,
Yeah.
you're older than I am.
Kind of a... Notice he had a problem with the age, not the grandma part. You're kind of a hairy grandma, but hey, whatever. Keeps you warm, right?
It does. Sure does.
Oh yeah, breaking out.
You're breaking out in height?
No, that would be itchy. Breaking out into the lower plains of Kanakistan. Visibility is kind of low today. Although the grip strength is pretty darn good. Don't fall, Ethel. That hurt my feelings.
Good. I hope your face freezes.
He's
I'm going on a diet.
going on a diet, ladies and gents.
Let's see. I weigh 175. I want to weigh 165.
165 he wants to weigh. Look at that. That's craziness.
You can see the view.
Yeah.
Woo!
All right. Come on, Ethel McCrethel. It's getting worse. I'm gonna have to put my balaclava on before we go any further, or my face is gonna freeze off. Lead the way, Grandma. He loves it when I call him Grandma. I see a cairn. Holy moly. Holy mackerel. It's insane up here. Can you?
Yeah. Can you?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, barely, but I can see you. Where did it
the wind go? Yeah. Oh, it's the tree break. There we go. Yeah.
That tree break was actually nice for a second.
Yeah.
Holy, I can't see the tower.
No, I can't see it either.
That should be fun coming down.
Yeah. Definitely has a big fat head. Nothing! I see the tower! It just got exponentially windier! Woo! Oh, bonsai! Woo! Holy crap! Oh! Oh! Woo! Oh! Woo! Standing behind the fire tower here. Woo! Woo! Woo!
How's my beard? Is it frozen?
I don't know, ladies and gentlemen, what do you think? Is it not too bad, honestly.
Really?
You know, it must not be snotting enough.
It feels like it's frozen.
I know I am. Woo! I'm snotting a ton. All right, from the top of Mount Kazakhstan, what are your words of wisdom?
Bring warm clothes when you come up here.
Yep.
Because it's cold and windy.
Yep. Woo. I actually feel all right.
Well, I feel alright, but imagine if you didn't bring a jacket.
I know it. You'd be out here like this. Holy moly. I don't even want to go back out there.
No.
Oh, now we got to go down in this too. Oh, man. You know what we should do?
What?
We should climb the fire tower.
Oh, let's do it.
Let's do it! Woo!
Oh boy.
Oh boy! Oh boy, he says, oh boy! Oh man.